Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are gonna see a very classic collection of Kanchipuram blended bridal silk sarees. All these very pretty sarees are having a rich Kanchipuram borders with golden zari weaving on both sides, and the body part is having golden and copper zari woven patterns along with a rich pallu and a plain running blouse. These beautiful collections are having a price of 2,999 rupees and we offer a free shipping. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number or you can also order through our Facebook or Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Hope you like the collection. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Waiting for more collections. Thank you for watching.